Hey guys, so I walked into town today and, because I wanted to see if there was anything available to buy or whatever, and I came across this. Now, the guy that was selling it, he wanted 40 credits, but I was able to talk him down to 27. I thought that part was pretty good, but I'm not sure even exactly what all is in here, so let's take a look. You can see this water bottle. That's pretty good. It's always good to have an extra canteen on hand. Looks like a halfway decent one. And it's brand new. I'm liking it already. Little clip on here. And can clip it to the bag or put it in the pouch. That's already awesome. Let me set that aside. Alright. Let's check out this part. If I can get it open, there we go. He couldn't tell me what this meant. I don't know what that means. Wow. It is full of brand new items. Holy cow. For 27 credits? Can you believe that? Survival blanket. That is awesome. I'm definitely going to use that. A poncho. That's so cool. A mini first aid kit. Brand new, unopened. Oh my gosh, it's still sealed. Check that out. I'll open it up. Actually, you know what? I don't even want to open it. I'm going to hold on to that. Looks like some type of a whistle. Let's open this up. Oh, nice. It has a compass on it. My last compass broke. This is amazing. Is that a ferro rod on there too? Holy cow. I feel like I hit the jackpot. Oh, even a signal mirror. You guys. I don't understand how... Why did he go so low for me to 27 credits? There better be some more cool stuff in here. He probably just didn't know what this means, just like I didn't know what it means. I might have to go back to that guy and see if he has any more of these. What is this? That's as far down as the backpack unzips. What is this box? If you guys know what that means, you gotta let me know. Completely sealed, unopened box. What the heck? The man at the trade market probably thinks that he got one over on me, but I think I'm the winner in this case. Look at this stuff, you guys. Oh my gosh. Cleaning toilets. What are cleaning toilets? Is this for cleaning toilets? I don't get it. Well, it smells pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells good. I feel like I'm going to be clean for the first time in years and years. Oh, thank goodness. Light sticks. 3 light sticks, you guys. Some rope. Oh, this will help me start fires. Oh my goodness, what is this? Water purification germicidal tablets. Will this help me clean water? This is going to help me clean water? Holy tamale. That's so exciting. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, that's water. That's water, you guys. Oh, I got 3 pouches of water. Oh my gosh. Like, I gotta drink some of this right now. Holy tamale. How can I open it? I'm gonna drink this right now. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. That is so good. Tissues. Tissues, like, nice. What's this? Oh, emergency food ration? Oh my gosh, 2,400 what? What does that mean? Mayday food products. What does that mean? Why does this look like it's in 4 different languages? Does that mean 2,400 calories? This will last me for a week, dude. That's insane. You know what? I'm definitely going back to that guy. See if he has any more of these. I would totally pay 40 credits for this. For real. For real. And I didn't even look at this yet. What's this? Oh. That's an even nicer one than I have. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to tell you which market that I went to, you guys, or what guy I talked to, because I'm going to go there tomorrow, and I'm going to see if I can get like 4 more of these. I have a few credits saved up. I'm definitely going to try to get more of these.